Give you a case you can take with you. That way you don't have to take it on the boat and it's less room.
Perfect.
Is this all you have?
Then that'll be it then.
You're going to need to wear warm clothes, sir. Whatever you have.
That's all I got. I got a parka, I guess.
Yeah, put on that parka. He has no warm clothing either.
We got, what size do you wear dude?
Like 12, 13.
Yeah, that's not going to help.
I mean, I've got.
All I got is size 9 boots.
Is your name James?
Yeah.
Is from Big Brother, dude?
Yeah.
For real?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Who would have thought? The guy on the TV screen coming to your front door.
That's crazy. I don't even know if this thing fits. I'm actually house sitting. I'm not even.
That's what I'm saying, man. It'd be an honor to have a fan on the boat with me.
I can only do this for a second. We're in 5 foot of water. James is waiting in the boat. We're taking somebody off their second floor.
We got a Big Brother fan right there.
Big Brother fan. We're taking a Big Brother fan off the second floor, and we're gonna go get him to dry land. The dam broke, so we're pretty much stuck where we're at.
And if you guys got a 2-wheel vehicle, do not take it on the road, Texas.
Yep. All right, well, I gotta go. We're gonna get this guy down this roof. We're gonna walk him down this roof here.
And take your pets with you.
Yes, do not leave your pets behind, please.
Okay.
All right, we gotta go.
So do you think, like, I have some rain shoes like that?
Rain boots?
Rain boots?
Put on whatever's gonna keep your feet the driest. It's not gonna matter once we get off the boat, you're gonna be walking in 2 foot of water to get to the dry land.
Okay. So give me a second then to leave it on.
Thank you guys. This has been no food, no sleep. It's bad out here. So whatever y'all can do to help, we definitely need your help. We gotta get this dog down this roof. I said we had to get the dog down the roof. That's gonna be the hard part.
Be able to get on the roof better than us.
Yeah, he's a pit bull, big one.
Dogs, I'm telling you, you know.
Yep.